Sadya, gini karon magtinluan na isang brush. Another challenge accepted. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today is my third challenge that I'm going to do, and this challenge is requested by the one and only my favorite subscriber, Jasper Samson. And he said, another challenge naman, ma'am, sagad si mo mag-makeup biskan sponge lang. I tried, full face makeup with the use of one brush only. And I think a lot of YouTuber also did this challenge. Are na naman ta sa pretty challenging naman na part sa akon nga channel. As you can see, haggard na naman ang face ni Miss P. So right now, I am thinking kung ano ang mga brushes na akon gamiton. I will be choosing one of these brushes. So what do you think? Is it the Buffy brush that can be used on foundation? So how can I put on eyeshadows on my eyelids if I'm gonna be using this? So hindi ni. What else? What about this one? This is the round tip. This is Real Techniques nga nabay ko sa Carefree Shoppers. So if you wanted to check their website, because they have a lot of legit items there, so I'm gonna put the link on the description box below. Just check it out. So this one is the round shape. When you are watching my videos, manotice na ang ginagamit ko ni siya for contouring, for putting on some blushes. Are na lang. Amo na lang ning nabilin. This is the pointed flat brush. And this one is also a Real Techniques. And this is the flat brush from Shower Cosmetics. Amo na siya ang isa sa mga pinakauna ko ginu-brush that ginhandom ko bala kumaga. Because I've seen this from Michelle Fan na mostly gina-use siya ang flat brush. Thankfully, ang Shower may ara man. So, sang nakita ko ning available ni sa Shower Cosmetics, I save my money a lot and buy this and have this one of my own collection. The brush that I'm going to use is the flat brush from Real Techniques with the pointy ends, as you can see. Another challenge accepted. Okay, so I have this foundation from Fashion 21, which is the ultimate cover. This end has a concealer, and I'm on shade 2. It has a BB cream plus concealer, so it tells a lot. I'm just gonna squeeze just a little bit of amount. So I'm not really used to put foundation on my face with the use of flat brush, but I cannot guarantee if this is really suitable for oily skin like me. And kasawalan gyud na all of the products will be in this one brush. Sadya gini karon magtinluan na isang brush. Okay. May tricks lang gid sa mga brushes, guys, makita nyo. So what I will do is just to pat this like so. So medyo sticky lang yun siya galing i-feel kung you're going to touch your face like so. And we're going to finish the foundation with this Avon press powder. So yeah, awkward lang galing kay flat brush ang gamiton ka. And I'm really focusing onto the oiliest part of my face. Kinala naton i-apply yung mga darkest na mga shades maybe later na lang, kasi I think we're gonna be having a huge problem kung butangan naton dark eyeshadow and then contour today kibase bala mag-black na di gulpi. So we're gonna be skipping step, or maybe laktaw-laktaw kita. We're gonna be proceeding to the contouring step. So I'm gonna be applying this contouring shade right on to the ends of my cheekbone. So we're gonna be slim this face out, because ang lapad ng face ko. I'm born this way, guys. That's why I have to correct this if I want to. Ang lagkit na ng brush, guys, ha? I'm so tempted to use my fingers, you know. Hopefully, kinaya naman. Grabe! I think or I overline my nose line. Para ako ano, kabayo. I apply this highlighter right onto the highest point of my cheeks. And we're going to apply this blush right up to the apples of our cheeks, of course. Before I'm going to do my eyebrows, since that I am surely gonna be using the dark eyeshadow or the black eyeshadow, maybe magsa-start muna tayo dito. So, what I'm going to do now is to just apply just a little bit of over my eyelids just to serve as a primer for my shadows. Kapag wala kayong primer, guys, concealer will do. And also, I have to brighten up this area because it's so dark. The palette I'm going to use is this one. This is a MAC Professional Makeup, but this one is not the original one. This is a Class A, guys. So, pasensya na if I'm using a Class A product, guys, because this is all I can afford for now. So, this is the product. Actually, guys, this is what I bought from Sweet Fashion Scent that I've seen on the Instagram, and I think a few years ago I did a review about this product, and maganda naman yung mga shades na mga products nila. And if you want to check their page, maybe I can put the link of their Instagram account here on my description box if you're interested. And again, I'm not promoting a Class A product. It just happened na I have to use this because wala naman, there's nothing wrong to try, diba? This is a slightly pinkish and orangey color, and I'm going to place this onto the base of my lids. Okay, just a dot like so. Diba? Ang brush na ini can be so versatile. Pwede gid siya sa biskanso eyeshadow na lang. Because it has a pointy ends. Oh, okay. So pink naman tayo, guys, ha. To give that just a little bit of transition, I'm gonna be applying this orange palette to the inner corner, maybe. Look, ang ganda, diba? And as well as to the corners. Sige. Alam mo yan, nag-iimbento na ako ng look, guys. Okay. Okay, diba? Ang fun ng color. It's so bright. I think I'm gonna be applying this fuchsia pink. We'll see how this goes. Oh, it's pretty pigmented. I don't know if you can see that on the camera. Ang ganda niya, guys. Well, I like how pointy this brush is. Ang ganda ng color niya, guys. I'm just going to wing this one out and just to blend those colors para meron siyang transition that will be going on to my eye makeup. Okay, so I'll be using the end or the edge portion of this brush, and now just going to blend these colors out. I love how festive this look. I am tempted to use my fingers, but no, we have to use the brush. Okay, just to give that just a little bit of sparkle until the center of my lids, I'm gonna be applying that silver sparkling shade only to the center, okay? Okay, and of course, hindi mawawala yung inner corner. So, kailangan natin mag-apply din dito. Ginamit ko yung same shade, guys, ha? Yung silver. This look is really appropriate for festivals. Okay, so I think we're done with the eye makeup. So, next is we're going to do our eyebrows kasi hindi dapat kailangan makakalimutan yung brows, guys. Kasi ito yung nagpa-frame ng ating face. And at the same time, it really defines our personality. I don't know if that's true, but I definitely believe on it. Yeah, so here we go. Thankfully, pointed yung tip ng nung flat brush ko. So, I'm just gonna be defining my brush like so. Oy! Okay naman siya, guys. I like it. So, we're gonna be just blending this out inwards. Okay, so we're gonna be having an illusion of longer brows. Like so. So, medyo, yung hair ng ating mga brows is medyo i-move natin pa ganun. Like this. O, diba? Parang bushy niya. Ang bushy niya. Bushy. And, of course, we're gonna be having that bushy eyebrow effect. So, next is same process. We're gonna be using the eyeshadow for the eyeliner. Give that. What I'm doing right now is not actually my usual routine when I do my makeup. I'm really fond of gel liner, you know, because it's waterproof and it doesn't come off easily. For the sake of this challenge, I'm gonna do it. So what can you say? Diba, may eyeliner na tayo. And thank God it has its pointy ends. That's why you can go on details. Oh, medyo injecta de. Pwede rin naman. Oh. Diba? Next is the lips. So, ito pala guys, yung number 2 na lipstick. Super barato ni Kuno. But actually, ginhatag na nisa akong sang ako na tita. From Silay. Hello, Tita Son. This is so called as Ashley Shine Matte Lipstick. Follow the rules. We're gonna be using only the brush. Hopefully, walang black na shade na shade dito sa aking lips. Hirap ha. Walang fake lashes na magaganap dito kasi parang okay naman yung look guys, no? Alone. But kung gagamitin ko yung mascara, siguro mahihirapan tayo yung alisin yung mascara dito. So no. I think I'm almost done. But my makeup look will not be completed without my contact lens. Okay, so I think kompleto na yung look ko guys. I really love this eye look kasi super festive niya guys. So, what do you think this look turned out? Hopefully, I did it successfully. Okay, I think that's it guys. I hope you liked this video. This is the third challenge that I did. And hopefully guys, namian lang kamo. And so, if you wanted to be the next person who I'm going to mention here on my YouTube channel, just comment down below and tell me kung ano yung nanamian ninyo, or tell me what is your favorite video on my YouTube channel. And if you have any video requests, just feel free to comment down below and I will definitely do that guys, of course. And so don't forget to subscribe on my channel. And that's it for today. See you guys on my next one.